Now let's see how to create a template in WhatsApp. Once you go to the WhatsApp template section, you'll find your templates under My Templates. Under the Library tab, you'll find Meta's Template Library, a collection of ready-made templates organized by topics and categories for easy filtering. To create a template from scratch, click on the Create Template button. Next, provide a template name. And select a category, marketing, utility, or authentication, based on your requirement. To reduce the chance of rejection, keep Allow Category Change enabled. This lets Meta adjust the category if you've chosen the wrong one. Finally, select the language you want to use for your template. Optionally, you can add a header to your template. The header can be text, an image, a video, or even a document, depending on your use case. For a text-type header, you can also add a variable. When adding a variable, you'll need to provide a sample example value. This will be displayed as a placeholder during template review and testing. Now, provide the body of the template. This section is mandatory. You can include one or more variables, and for each variable, make sure to provide an example value so it can be previewed correctly during testing and approval. You can also format the body text with styles such as bold, italic, or monospace. Additionally, you can include emojis to make your template more engaging. If needed, add a footer to your template. This is optional, but it's a great place for things like disclaimers, support info, or closing notes. Once ready, click Submit for approval. Meta will review and approve or reject your template. Your template will appear in the list with a status: pending, approved, or rejected. Approved templates can now be used in broadcasts, workflows, or live chat outside the 24-hour session. If you prefer using a ready-made design, open the Library tab. Here, select a template from the category you need, then click Create to add it to your account. Give it a meaningful name and submit it to Meta for approval. Only approved templates can be used in broadcasts, live chat, or workflows. After submitting your template for approval, you'll find it listed under the My Templates tab. The approval status of each template is shown there. Once a template is approved, you can start using it to send messages to your contacts. That's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp template in Grafo. Templates keep your business messages compliant and ready to scale.